Hi guys, it's the first day of work at McDonald's Southwoods. In this video, we will share with you what are the activities that your children will do once they join the McDonald's Kiddie Crew program.
What's up guys, it's me Nana. Today we're at McDo, but we're not real McDo workers. It's just only us, Nana and Parker. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, you're not supposed to do that. Hey, stop. Hi. Hello. There you go. Never mind, Parker wants to vlog again. Hello. Never mind, he always kept saying hello.
Everyday duty starts with an assembly with friends before their actual exposure to the operations floor. First stop is a Mac Cafe where they were just given some orientation and no hands-on activity due to safety reasons. Next stop, the takeout counter. The kids were able to dispense their own sundae and drinks of preference. Now, it's time to go back to the assembly hall for some singing and dancing. It's their second day of work, and since they enjoyed their first day, my daughter is starting to feel comfortable in making some new friends. For today's duty, they started at the service counter. As we can see, my daughter is very keen to understand how the process works at the service counter. And of course, thanks for the very patient crews of McDonald, because this will not be effective if they are not very willing to answer the questions of these kids and fill in their curiosity.
No serving. Very good.
Their next task is to go to the customer area and check if there's anything the customer needs, like a cup of water. In this activity, for sure, our kids have gained some self-confidence and learned the value of courtesy. And of course, the day won't end without some singing and dancing. Each and every day, the excitement goes high that my children are very excited to go to work. And as early birds, they had some spare time to roam around and play.
Let's receive for our prayer. So please everyone stand up.
Dearest God, God in heaven, bless our families, bless our new friends in McDonald's, and bless Kiddie Crew always. Amen.
Indeed, a very exciting day for the Kiddie Crews, because I believe it's in every child's dream to be a cashier. And today, it is a dream come true.
Let's now make a cheeseburger. Is the ketchup. Okay, next naman natin kids is our chill. If you see, the burger is upside down, right? Good job, Kuya Ethan. Okay, next natin is syrup na natin. Sa top muna, sa taas, at the top. Follow. You already done na, Kuya Ethan. Okay. And then, next natin is sa bottom naman.
Today is their graduation day, and unfortunately, we were not able to document yesterday's drive-thru experience. But watch out for today's more fun and exciting activities. First part is the showcasing of talents by our kiddie crews.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Juana, the chicken dog.
It's warm and right, and the world somehow shifted.
Let's go, kids!
Followed by parlor games that became a family activity.
Ang haba na ng sa morning. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. So we're ready.
As you can notice, the number of kiddie crews increased because they combined the morning and afternoon sessions on this graduation event.
Down, 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 down. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Please sit back, relax, and enjoy watching as they perform their production number.
As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen. When the future comes around, we'll turn and see the promise in one's eyes and say there's more that can be. We'll welcome that day, but until then, the future's in our hands and we're gonna make things happen. Always say we can. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen.
Alright, kids, good.
Like any other graduation, the kiddie crews are awarded with their certificates of completion. And we made sure that both of us are present on this wonderful and proud moment event of our kids.